welcome back. I'm glad to see you today. It's a fantastic day here, and I hope it is wherever you're at. Let's do just a beautiful little colorful painting today, one that it should make you happy. Let's get started.
What's up, guys? So it kind of dawned on me that I need to talk more about the job that we do. So this is a indoor tennis court, and all of these trees were encroaching on the dome, and the property owner called us to clear it back. So that's what we have been doing on this side, and I will show you the other side in a second. This is some of the remnants of the stuff that we have yet to pick up, but you can see we have some willows, a bunch of elms, and there's a pine down there. Got them all topped out far away. We've been using the lift and climbing. I've been climbing like I did, I don't know, these 3, 4, 5. Then there's a couple poplar that I have done, and then two more that I have yet to do. So that's what I'll be doing with you guys today. Nothing too crazy. Yep, so here's my awesome poplar that was absolutely filthy with vines. Here's the next one. The only rule is just don't hit the dome. And then here's the one after the next. Should be super easy. They're probably like 30-40 feet. It's no big deal. And then we're side trimming the rest. So yep, that is today's Friday job. Headache ant, we got a loose branch. Balance. See ya. They're all nice and level. Yeah, I didn't plan that actually.
This will be a little bit lower.
2:23. We got a little update. This is how we get things out, in case anyone was wondering. Little progress update. So we have our MT100 Bobcat. And we have our log chuck and chipper here, so that's how we dispose of the waste mostly. Little update. That's what I said. It's a shit ton of chicks. This truck is awesome though. This dump is awesome.